Patrick's Garage.
Now, a lot of companies are phasing away from maintenance of old cars with carburetors.
Man, never underestimate the kindness of the common cat. Is the cat interested in something?
Maybe you can find old carburetor man, but now they becoming the pest.
If you're not going to sell a car on, you're going to keep it forever.
And before this carburetor, they incrementally made them better.
I repaired a lot of stuff in this car and it's contributing to solidifying my grasp on overall picture of this car design.
So it's better to buy them now while they are available. There is no edit buttons like in modern cars for adjusting backrest. I want to push the backrest down. I pull this lever and push it down. And the same thing you can do for your passenger. There is a beautiful day and out, so I figured why not have the sunroof open.
You can look through the roof at the clouds. And you don't have to get out of the car. It's a useful handy item, not OEM of course. You're going to keep your car for years and years.
But it not works. And unlike most people, I like reliable stuff. There is no way I'm going to be buying a new car. And not only will it make your head spin, it will make your wallet spin when you find out what it costs to fix the stuff. They don't buy old cars because most of people think that classic car stands for bring your wallet when it breaks.
Truly say lower rockers and arches was replaced.
I don't think we're really going to have to worry about rust on it.
We continue driving around really unaware of the real impact of corrosion until suddenly the rust is take out floor in car. Modern cars rust faster.
Now they started going too much into stylistic crap that doesn't serve a purpose. My way of thinking may be different from yours. And don't attempt to turn average car into a perfect condition vehicle unless you're willing to spend a whole bunch of money.
And one advantage of not having a power steering is the steering is a real tight on the highway. We can return backward settings, so more comfortable to driving around.
We go under the hill.
It has no handling problems. I'm not going to push my car so much because it does need new suspension rubber bushings. If you give it full power, you kind of lose control. We're going over horrible bumps.
So look left, look right. We don't know what there's.
I mean, you never know what these bunkers are up to.
There's an interesting car you don't see that much of. And a lot of time I think that they incrementally make them better. But if that's something that you want to do, then go for it. Yes, you want car, but not insane. You can see the body is in excellent shape, even chrome plates on the door handles.
Smoker windows, very useful. You can driving around without AC. They both need to be open. I do not know why these windows are absent in modern cars. The air conditioner requires maintenance. And you will never be allergic to triangular window. Just for me, air conditioner created a lot of problems. And always try to find the real root of the problems. It's better to face the truth in the majority of time. And let's keep talking about the car. You can easily guess that car was refurbished. It was wrecked in the front. Volvos are known for extreme reliability over time. But you never know once something's been wrecked. And now, as we look around, we can't find where work was done. Yes, they did a good job. There is no arguing that. Now, body shops charged a lot of money for fixing stuff, which of course outrageous. Yes, of course, you can paint car yourself, but it might not be worth fixing, and then you stuck with it. But people that can paint them cheaper can often fix them perfectly fine. For sometimes 2 to 3 times less than the body shop has. They going to fix it cheaper, but sometimes they do decent work, and it's still a good vessel. That stuff can be fixed a lot of cheaper privately. I wouldn't have known this thing had been in any kind of big wreck. I would never have known until I started looking under stuff. And I'm not surprised that Salt car was wrecked. At first glance, it looks like original color. It was painted at the original color. A lot of people are under false assumption that car coated at the factory. But I observed this in a lot of cars. We can use original or custom color, but I prefer original color. But not less important, original interior. The dash is perfectly designed, it fits in all original steering wheel. You see everything, nothing is hidden, there is no hidden parts. Everything is open and obvious to read. And we easily understand that dash is designed with the steering wheel in mind. And you don't lose any type of visibility. And I'm not going to turn radio on because then it'll play music and people will say I'm stealing their music for my video. Now we're slowing down because there is a bus in front of us. I don't know why they made the gear shifter more shorter than it used to be in 60s in the earlier gearboxes. With old long gear shifter handling like a dream, more enjoyable anyway. But I think we can't blame the engineers that they put the shorter shifter. This was perfect car in 60s, but they put a lot of crap in 70s to it. A whole bunch of engineers created this car in 60s, and then bunch of engineers ruined this car in 70s. Or maybe they thought they were improving the car? No, they just repeat to the other car manufacturers. It was just ship mentality. Not perfect that it was in earlier models, but it still works. Now, please consider sharing this video with someone who likes old cars or planning to buy old cars. Share this on Facebook, on Twitter. You can share it all over the place.